Hi, 27th September 2019. It's raining. Very beautiful rain in Karachi. It's very beautiful rain. It's the fourth consecutive day it's been raining in Karachi, and you feel like it's Singapore or London. Ah, but this is Karachi, my friends. Ah, I always make a video of the rain from my terrace, and that is Gulshan Iqbal right on the right, and this is the Gulistani Jawar on the left. Beautiful rain today. Wow, just amazing. I haven't seen this kind of rain in Karachi in my whole life. It was about 5-10 minutes ago. It was sunny, and now it's raining like anything, man. Wow, just beautiful. Woo! Beautiful rain, beautiful rain.